last complete generation of the Mitsubishi Outlander ran model years 2014 to 2021 inclusive. An all-new Outlander came online for model year 2022, replacing its predecessor and marking that machine's shift fully into used crossover territory. Numerous updates were applied throughout this generation Outlander, including a restyle, a new transmission, and the addition of new value-adding feature content. From model year 2016 and on, a major overhaul gave the Outlander a host of improvements to its looks, driveline, and comfort. There was a keen focus on reducing noise and vibration levels around a retuned suspension system, and new driveline components, all intended to give Outlander's driving experience new levels of refinement. Now, let's look at 5 tips to help you find the best used Mitsubishi Outlander that you can for your dollar, starting with tip number 1, the warranty. The Outlander's 10-year warranty attracts plenty of shoppers, both new and used. When shopping secondhand, remember that a warranty is a two-way agreement and that the vehicle's previous owners have a role to play in maintaining that warranty in good standing. The warranty does not cover damage or wear caused by a failure to maintain or inspect the vehicle on a regular basis, so if past owners didn't care for it properly, you could be on the hook with an unpleasant surprise if warranty work is required. So to prevent unpleasant surprises, make sure all service records are available and that there are no gaps in the vehicle's service history or documentation. A unit that's familiar to its dealership and has been serviced there regularly is a great starting point. Tip number 2, paint and finish. Some owners have complained of poor durability from the paint finish on their Outlander, most have not. On your test drive, pay close attention to the condition of the Outlander's painted surfaces, being on the lookout for chips, dents, or peeling. This sort of damage can invite rust, which costs you money. Many owners recommend protective implements like bug protectors and mud flaps to help keep the paint finish in tip-top shape. And remember, during ownership, to repair any subsequent paint chips or deep scratches early to help prevent rust formation. Tip number 3, the continuously variable transmission or CVT. Some owners have reported trouble from the Outlander's transmission, most have not. Some units from this generation were also recalled to fix latent safety defects with their transmissions, which may require software reprogramming of the transmission's computer brain. A used Outlander that's been regularly serviced by its dealer has likely had this recall performed already if required. Shoppers after maximum peace of mind should also ensure that any previous servicing or repair to the transmission has been carried out in a dealer setting. The Outlander's CVT requires very little maintenance, but that maintenance is important and should only be tackled by a trained technician with experience and proper equipment. Tip number 4, fluid leaks. Some owners have experienced leaks of engine oil, coolant, and transmission fluid from their Outlanders. Others have had 2014 model year units recalled to address an internal powertrain fluid leak that could result in a safety concern or driveline damage. Most have not. Leaks like these can have various causes, and though rare, some of them are serious. They can result in powertrain damage or put your safety at risk. Thankfully, fluid leaks are easily detected during a routine pre-purchase inspection or PPI, where a trained technician examines the vehicle top to bottom, ideally as a final step before you write your check. Detecting a fluid leak or similar issue before you buy a second-hand Mitsubishi Outlander could save you thousands of dollars. Tip number 5, the plug-in hybrid. This generation Outlander was available with a plug-in hybrid or PHEV driveline, which uses electrification to dramatically reduce fuel consumption and enable all-electric driving. The Outlander PHEV is the best-selling vehicle of its kind in Canada. If you're shopping for a used Outlander plug-in hybrid, be sure to check all charging cables and provisions to be sure the vehicle's standard 12-volt battery is in tip-top shape, and have a PHEV-trained technician at a dealership perform a mechanical and electronic inspection of the vehicle for maximum peace of mind. These tips are designed to help test driving shoppers more easily identify possible trouble areas reported by some owners. An attentive test drive and shopping process that focuses on the areas we just covered can help you find a first-class copy of a second-hand Mitsubishi Outlander.